Hello everyone, I'm Miss Phoenix. How are you doing today? Today we're going to cook a meal that is easy to prepare for the whole family. Let's say you're coming tired and you don't have the time to cook a big meal, a meal that takes a lot of time. You need something easy to prepare. I'm going to show you a meal today. Easy to prepare just for the family. First, let us get some peppers from my tree. All right, let us get some pepper from the pepper tree. All right, so this is my front yard garden, not in the back. All right. So I'm picking some peppers. I want them to put in my meal. And I'm picking some peppers. All right. Behind me is my coconut tree coming down in my head. How are you doing today? Plant something, man. Plant. Yeah. How are you doing today? If you know me, you know that I always have locks. Yes, I had long rasta here. I recently cut it. I cut off the locks. Just take the scissors and clip the locks like that. Clip it off. Tired of the locks now. All right. So right now, I don't have any locks on my head. When I'm going to the barber, you will come with me. All right. You will follow me to the barber, and you will see when I'm trimming my hair. All right. Because right now it wants to trim. It wants to style, cut down low, and fix up. When I'm going to the barber, I'm going to take you with me. All right. So we're going to do a lot of adventures. So you want me to show adventure videos? I'm going to do adventure videos for you. You're going to follow me into Old Harbour Town, and my coconut tree is in my face. As you can see, it is bearing. Come and show them. As you can see, it is bearing. Right now, it have young coconut on it. All right, so plant something, man. Look at that. And it's going to be windy. I just open the window. All right, people. I'm here looking some banana, green banana. This banana is a powerhouse. It is a powerhouse. Look at that. I think I should have eat some of it before nobody teeth. One morning, I come out and I see it. I want to think. They are not fully matured, but I think I should start eating before I come out and don't see it. The top hand is bigger than the other hand. So probably I can take off some fingers off to eat. And one thing, it's a powerhouse, you know. That is about 10 or 12 hand. That is a powerhouse up there. 10 to 12 hand up there. Alright. I'm gonna cook this navel. I'm gonna cook the banana navel. Big nice navel. I'm gonna cook it. You ever eat banana navel? I'm cook it. Powerhouse. So my finger them can't eat, you know. It's a couple finger, but guess what happened now? I can't reach it. Too tall. Powerhouse. Yeah, powerhouse. Okay. Can't reach up there. One thing. First thing you do, make sure wash your hands. All right. Wash your hands properly before you cook food to people. All right. Throw water there. Nice. All right. Move this out of the way for me. Now, what do we have here? Cabbage, corned beef, some seasoning. Want some more scallion. As you can see, bananas are too small. They want some more time. So I did not pick a lot. All right, bananas they're small. This is my type of food. Yum. Some flour. Alright people, so what I'm going to do is, it says quick and easy meal. So if it's quick and easy, we're going to put on both of them one time. So what I'm going to do first is prepare my flour, since I want the 2 pots to be cooking at the same time. Alright? Quick and easy. So if you come in with the family, tired, something where you can just bop, 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 bop. I don't know what that's a dumpling in. But anyway, people are not a dumpling lover. I'm yam, banana, sweet potato, Irish, that's me. Not a flour person. Not a rice person either. I prefer eat the dumpling. And if I had some wheat flour, I would put it in this. I'm adding some cornmeal. I'm going to put some salt in my flour. A little bit of salt in my flour. Going to knead my flour. Mix well. You don't want to put too much caramel in your flour. Alright? It will tough. You don't want tough dumpling. Just a little bit of caramel. And watch where you add your water. And make sure you always have flour put down one side. In case what happens. In case your flour spoil, you have flour put down. No matter how you can cook, your flour will spoil on you. Alright? So make sure you have some put on the side if your flour spoil. If your dough spoil. Alright? Get all this dry flour together. You start throwing any more water. You might just throw water and then you find out that it never really wants any more water, you know. So look at this now. This look like it not even want no more water. I'm just going to damp it. Alright? Don't follow me with the damping, you know, my spoil here once eat it. When I say damp, it's just a little tip of water. Alright. That. If you have some wheat flour, you could mix wheat flour with your regular flour. That's how I do it sometimes. I use the wheat flour and a little bit of regular flour. Alright? But today I'm using cornmeal. And you need this. Put your back into it. Alright? Put your back into it, man. See? Dough is ready. See the dough ready? Ready for make dumpling. Look at that. Ready. And when you break them off like this, you're making them if it's too big. Fine. You can break them again. Alright, we love big cartwheel one them or the little dumpling them. Alright, go like this. Some people say roll and press. Round it up in your hand, round it up. Round it up, press. See that? Nice. See that? This one is small. And you know what I should do? I should put this down and get to the cabbage. But since we say quick and easy, we'll get some of the things them ready from now. Cabbage. Get the cabbage ready, people. Since we say we want it quick and fast. Alright. God knows I need a sharp knife. This knife get on top of my nerves. Alright. Now, cut up your cabbage how you want it. Suppose you love it fine. Quick and fast. And back quick and fast, you know, people. You don't want to cut cabbage stush like your stushy. Alright, quick and fast. Pick them hungry. Grandfather hungry. Grandma hungry. Quick and fast. Husband a born say just take him up. Quick and fast, people. Now cut the cabbage so. Cut it something quick and fast in the water now, man. See all the water ready to wash him. Do the thing fast now, man. Quick and fast. Put on some flour water for me there. Flour pot, flour pot. Mama Navi, put on some water for me there. In the meantime, on the stove. Light the stove there. That's a quick and fast we say, you know. Now put on the water with the pot. Quick and fast thing. Maybe a ball for you hungry. Grandpa said just take him up. Alright people, this part, I throw away this part. Don't know about you. Hard and fast rule of the tweet. How about you? Make like your cabbage. I throw it away. Don't know about you. Alright? You don't want a toffee thing in your thing.
Some people cook it.
Some people might cook it. Some other ladies say. Alright? I don't cook it. Toffee thing in my cabbage and me. And people, we don't want the cabbage soft today. So you want now. We are going to do the thing. Stir fry with cabbage. I see some people steam cabbage and it's soft. You can't even see the cabbage. The whole light take it out in the pot. You get what me I say, people? I guess what we are doing today now. We are stir frying. We might have locked down the pot cover once, but that's it. Not wanting too soft. We must can see the cabbage when we're done. Alright, people? Yeah. Cabbage just steam up and thing. Let me throw more water in there. Let's go and cut the same way. Video 1, 2, 3, baby, and get a long video. People, if grandpa hungry and just take him up, you don't have no time for you cut your cabbage stitching. And worse, this a knife you look like it does. It's a disgrace. I need a sharp knife. Alright, people, cabbage coming down. Alright, remember I say, I don't know about you. I don't eat this part. Probably it's very delicious. Probably it's very nutritious. I don't know, but I take it out. Alright, cabbage finished. That is it. Alright. Throw more water from the cabbage. See? More water for wash it. And then I'm going to wash my seasoning. Alright, see that? Alright, people. People, when you're cooking banana, squeeze a little lime in there or throw a little cooking oil in there so that you don't get a dumpling black. Alright, you don't want when the dumpling come out it's black. Alright, make sure you throw a little cooking oil in there. See, look at my dumpling. I throw cooking oil inside it. Alright, you can take these off. Take off the froth. Yeah, I throw cooking oil in there. You can squeeze a lime, or you can put back the banana skin. Alright, peel off the banana skin and drop a few banana skin into your boiling water. If you don't want black dumpling. Alright, now that that is on the way, we are going to get the cabbage. And this patty, grandfather almost dead already because this patty look like it will take forever. Grandfather supposed to dead for hungry. And they pick them a ball for hungry. Boy, this is quicker, easier, take longer than usual. Pick them a ball for hungry. Alright, make the pot hot now. Pouring in some oil. Not too much because the corned beef have in oil. Don't want to put in too much oil. Alright, health conscious. Alright. And you can test your oil to see when it's hot. No, that is not hot yet. You want hot more, man. I think not have done yet. You want hot more. Come hide in the case and hurry up, Grandpa hungry. Hurry up. And I'm going to be covering my cabbage once. That's the only time you're going to see me covering it. Not again. Because I don't want it too soft. Alright? Alright people, Grandpa hungry. We can't wait. And I'm only going to cover it once. And over here, my dumpling is bubbling. If you know, people, you can still see my cabbage. Don't. I suck out. Yeah, that's how I like my cabbage. Not too soft. And what we're going to do now is add some jerk and a little Maggi all purpose. Right? Season it up. It tastes nice. And a little Maggi all purpose. Maggi makes everything taste better. But if you don't like salt, you're cutting down on the salt. You're hypertensive. Season it how you want to season it, alright? Come on. In the tough. Cabbage must tough, man. And softy cabbage. Look at that. Just toss him round. And when it simmer down and all that water, that juice dry out, then you put your cabbage in there. Don't put your cabbage in there yet. With all the water in the pot. Alright? I know people do that and then the cabbage is so soft and full of water. Alright people? So make it dry out some more first. Don't cover it. Don't cover it, let it dry out. And then we're gonna add our corned beef. And it's voila, dinner time. Alright, quick and fast. Yes people, you ever come home and can't find your bully beef tea? That is one of the saddest things. Come like you want ball. How you going to get out the bully beef? How you get it out of your tin? Happened to me already. I have to use knife. I have to chop with cutlass. I have to do all kind of something. Alright, our beef is ready to go in now. See? Look at my pot. No only for water in there. See that? Turn on your stove too. As it will burn. Alright. Now I'm ready to add beef. Alright, kind more on the scene of the pot. Take no full of water. Alright. You're gonna need some black pepper. Yeah. I'm gonna put scotch bonnet in there, but you want some black pepper differently. Alright. Quick and fast. Alright, Grandpa, we're coming. Quick and fast. Come in, Grandpa. Come in. Some more beef in the thing here, Grandpa. Hope you don't die by a finish. Hurry up. I'm coming. One sip of cold beer there. Or drink one hot one if you want. Come in. Best thing for boss gas. Now I'm gonna get some black pepper. Alright, Grandpa. You see the water? When the banana boil out in a while ago in the skin, it have been iron. So here what you do now? Not too much black pepper, man. See there? When you stir it up, it don't look like too much. You know what I say? See there, chew it on the top. I know I say, well, she have chosen more black pepper and I say, it's not too much, it's just that it's up on the top and it never stir up. You see that now? Yeah, Grandpa, you want a cup of the, them call it pot water. You want a cup of the pot water if you go and sip with the iron in there because the banana boil in the skin. Alright, me I carry a cup, come here, alright? See, Grandma sip it already. I don't like me I tell. You see, Grandma sip a cup of pot water. People, Grandma sip a pot of cup a cup of pot water because the iron in the banana skin. And then the yam boy cooking in the water again. Alright, people, it's go time. See there? We're ready. Yeah. Pot cover drop a ground there anyway. Get back to the business at hand. See there? Water full of iron. Banana in the skin. Alright, so you can just open it up like that. See there? Alright. Dinner time. Drain off your water. Make sure you drain off your water. I'm not greedy. 2 dumplings will do. Thank you. A piece of yam. And I'm good to go. 1 piece of yam. Thank you. And just a piece of this banana in a skin, or two banana in a skin, and I'm good to go. Alright, now let me get some of this nice thing over here. Oh, let me get some of this. This should be good, people. Alright, this should be great. Quick and fast. Yeah, man, quick and fast. Look at that. Quick and fast. Oh, people. I'm a dumpling in the sound eat 5. Wanna crave me, man? I can't eat more than 2 dumplings, you know. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. The camera lady can't wait him out to run water. Mm, mm. Ah. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Jamaicans in diaspora. Mm-mm. You miss this a yard or no cook it a foreign same way? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I say you better can cook. Your mom makes much nice with the pot. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. People, this is delicious. Subscribe to the channel. Give the videos a thumbs up. Share the channel. Help me to get to 500 subscribers. You see the numbers. Help me to get to 500 subscribers. Then we can get to 1,000. When you subscribe, please remember to turn on your notification bell. If you don't do that, you will not see when I post. Alright? Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you soon.